Hello and welcome muli sa aking kusina. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng kutsinta. Ito ay combination ng puto at kutsinta. And here are the following ingredients. For our kutsinta, we will need glutinous rice flour, brown sugar, rice flour, water, red food coloring, lye water, at kakailanganin din natin mamaya ng grated coconut for our toppings. Para naman sa ating puto, kailangan natin ng plain flour or all-purpose flour, water, powdered sugar, baking powder, melted butter, sugar, salt, and egg. So, ang lahat ng ingredients at exact measurements, makikita nyo ang link sa description box. Paki-check na lang. So, ang ating first step, mag-brush lang tayo ng oil dito sa ating hulmahan. So, pati ito sa sides, make sure na ma-brushan natin. And then, at the same time, magpapainit na tayo ng water dun sa ating steamer pot bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating next step. So, ang ating second step, dito sa ating mixing bowl, i-sift lang natin yung glutinous rice flour, yung ating rice flour. So, mix lang natin completely. And then, isama na natin yung brown sugar. Then, mix natin. Okay. So, once mixed, isali na rin natin yung water. At yung lye water. Pati na rin yung ating drops ng red food coloring. Then, we'll mix this completely. So, once thoroughly mixed, i-drain lang natin to. Salin natin dito sa jug. And then, yung ating strainer, strain lang natin to. Para siguradong wala tayong lumps. Yan. So, we're now ready to proceed sa ating next step. So, eto na yung ating prepared mold. So, isalin lang natin. Kaya mas maganda isalin sa jug para mas mabilis. So, depende sa thickness na gusto nyo kung gaano kapal. Then, continue lang natin to hanggang matapos. So, ayan na. This one is ready for steaming. So, mag-steam na tayo. I-steam na natin. So, takpan lang natin. Make sure yung ating lid o yung takip ng ating steamer ay merong cloth or kitchen towel para ma-absorb nito yung excess water. So, mag-steam tayo for 20 to 25 minutes. I-check na lang natin later kasi depende kung gaano ka-thick yung ginawa. So, while waiting for our kutsinta, so, mag-proceed na tayo sa ating puto. So, ito na yung ating plain flour. Sama na natin yung powdered milk, yung ating baking powder, salt, sugar. Then, haluin lang natin to completely. So, ayan, well mixed na. Ihalo na natin yung egg, yung melted butter, at yung ating water. Then, we'll mix this thoroughly. So, ayan, well mixed and lump-free na. So, kung ganito medyo thick yung ating mixture, mag-add lang tayo just a drop of water. A drop of 2. Okay, mix natin ulit. So, yan. Ito na yung tamang consistency. So, we'll set this aside. Hintayin lang natin maluto yung ating kutsinta. So, after 20 minutes, i-check lang natin yung doneness. So, tusukin lang natin. When it comes out clear, pwede na ito. So, ito na yung nalutong kutsinta. So, i-add lang natin on top yung ating puto mix. So, huwag masyadong puno kasi aalsa pa yung ating puto. So, continue lang natin to hanggang matapos natin lahat. So, this one is ready for steaming. I-steam ulit natin to for 8 to 10 minutes. Check na lang natin mamaya yung doneness. So, after 10 minutes, check na natin yung ating puto. So, tusukin natin sa gitna. So, when it comes out clean, pwede na ito.